Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Lord of the Fleas, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 1. A Visit from Kitty Protective Services. One morning at Dogman's house, Li'l Petey and ADHD were hard at work.
Well, I'm all done reprogramming the Dogmobile. Now it's super easy to control. How's the hydraulic roof ramp coming along? Awesome! I can't wait until Dogman sees it. Good morning, Dogman. Look what me and ADHD did. We transformed the grand ballroom into the coolest clubhouse ever. Us three are going to be in a club, okay? We'll call ourselves the Supa Buddies. Most of the time, we'll just be our regular selves, but when danger rears its ugly head, we'll be superheroes. Look, I even made a cape for ADHD. And I made him a flip-o-rama mask. You just tape it here, and now he's great, see? But if you flip it up, he's happy. He looks so different, you can't even tell it's him. So I'll be Cat Kid, you can be the Bark Knight, and ADHD will be Lightning Dude. This is gonna be sweet! Oh, it's time for breakfast. Cat food and cream for me, dog food and gravy for you, and nuts and bolts and motor oil for ADHD. Hey, I know! Let's all eat in Flip-O-Rama. It's an important part of this nutritious breakfast. Ready?
Don't you bark at me! And you stop barking too! That's better. I was sent here by Kitty Protective Services. Apparently, you got a kitten who should be in school. Come with me, young man. Don't you dare growl at me! Kittens have to go to school! It's the law! You want to pay a fine? You want to go to jail? You want to lose custody?
It's okay, Dogman. I'll go to school, and we can play together when I get back, okay? Bye, Dogman. Bye, ADHD.
Meanwhile, well, hello there, little fella.
Hi, Papa.
Haha, I think you've confused me with someone else.
No, I haven't.
I'm a kindly old social worker.
No, you're not.
I only care about your best interests.
No, you don't.
Look, kid, I'm not who you think I am.
Yes, you are.
I am not your papa!
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not!
Yes, you are.
I'm not!
R2.
I'm not!
R2.
I'm not!
R2.
I am not!
You are too.
Yeah!
I knew you were my papa.
Look, kid, I'm not your papa. You're my clone. Clones don't have papas.
Well, I do.
Ugh! Look, I have had it with you. It's not even noon, and you're already driving me nuts!
Yay! Hey, where's the school at, Papa?
We're not going to school. We're getting out of town.
Why?
Because you're in terrible danger.
Why?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
Because every time I tell you a story, you always interrupt me like 1,000 times.
Why?
Because you're a pest!
Why?
Sit down!
Why?
Because we need to talk.
Why?
Look, it's very irritating when
Hey,
you...
Papa, you have weird hairs in your nose.
You just
I won't
interrupted!
interrupt anymore. I'll be good.
Alright, because what I'm about to tell you is
Hey,
very...
Papa, is this story gonna be boring?
No!
Okay, you may continue.
Well, it all started this morning when I
Hey,
was in...
Papa, you wanna hear a joke?
I am going to finish telling my story, and you are going to listen quietly with no interruptions!
Okay.